This is my video ghost hunting kit I made back in 2015. It's got an EMF meter along the top and a built-in spirit box. The spirit box uses sound banks. You know, the theory behind that was audio manipulation. Something to look into. Let's turn that on. So yeah, let's show the EMF meter working. I'll get my phone. There we go, you can see the EMF meter working using my phone. So I remember when I made this, I messaged loads of YouTubers to see if they wanted to use it. That was back in the day. I didn't hear back from any of them. It's a shame that. Maybe I should do something with this. What do you think?